What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So in this video, I wanted to go over something that's pretty cool. I like different ways to make money, and I want to create a bunch of different ways to make money. So in this video, I'm going over how to make money by simply driving. Before I start, hit the like button. Also, hit the subscribe button for more videos just like this one. And remember that I'm doing a giveaway, which I will get into at the end of the video, so stick around till then. So I wanted to talk about how to make basically extra money by just driving. There are a lot of ways out there that you can make money, and I want to put them in different categories so that everyone knows what they can do if they're searching for a specific task. If they have a car that they don't use or that they don't use on a daily basis and they just want to run up miles basically and use the car, then go ahead and find different ways to make money. And these are great ways to make money. So let's not waste any more time. Let's jump right into it. So the first way that you can make money by simply driving your car is by an app-based delivery service. And there are a lot of them out there, but some of the big ones, some examples are Ubereats or Doordash. If you're using those, there's a lot of people out there that make $10 to $20 an hour. And if you wanted to just do that on your spare time, like say maybe your wife is at work, your kids are off somewhere, and you just wanted to, make some extra money, or you wanted to do it as your main source of income. There are a lot of people in this world that make minimum wage, and $10 to $20 an hour, $20 an hour sounds amazing to some people. So if you wanted to make $20 an hour, then you could do that. Now, the only downside to this is that you don't always get a ton of traffic to you. So you might not be working within that hour. So if you're moving here to there in lunchtime and then it gets to like 2 o'clock and you're not getting anything, then you have downtime and you might only make $20 that day. You might only make $30 that day, but it is a good way to make money if you figure out when are the busiest times. So that's that. You can do an app-based delivery service and that will get you extra money in your pocket. Next thing you could do is you can rent out your car. This is something that I kind of haven't heard of before. I mean, I understand the concept. You're basically renting out your car like Airbnb style. That makes sense. And they say that you can make up to $1,100 a month. And that's pretty good for extra income just to, if you have a car that's sitting there and you want to rent out that car, you can do that. Now, I know a lot of these websites, like I'm going to give you some examples of Turo and Getaround. A lot of these websites have like some sort of stipulation to where you need to have a certain like make and year for the car, probably not make, year for the car. And then you also have to have a car that's under like 135,000 miles or something like that. It has to be at a certain point so that's not going to break down because they have to be reliable. But this is a good way to make money if you're looking to just give someone your car, not give it to them, but rent your car to them, and you're able to get extra income per month just by lending your car to someone because your car was just going to sit there anyways. There was a point in time in our household to where I was really the only one driving our personal cars because we have 2 personal cars, and I drive my car. And then my wife she had a company car, so her car would just sit there. If we rented out that car, if I would have done that, that's silly of me not to look that up. If we would have rented out her car, then we could have had $1,100 extra per month, something like that. And that only makes sense. That car was just sitting there. So if you have something of that nature, if you have a work car, company car, then you can rent out your normal car and go from there. So next you have a form of advertisement. And what you can do basically is you can wrap your car in advertisements. I see this company called Wrapify. If you're familiar with the company and you've done anything with them, shoot me a comment down below. I would love to hear how this whole concept works for people, hear like real world reviews. But basically you just wrap your car in advertisement. It connects you to a certain company to where you can advertise their company, and you can go from there. And they say that you can make $100 to $450 per month. And that's a good way to do it without having to do anything extra besides wrap your car in advertisements, basically. So that seems like a legit way to make money. And if you're interested in that, I will post links down below to anything that I can find, all these different websites for even the app-based delivery service, the rent your car out. I'll post all of these things down below, so check them out. And the last thing that I have on my list is you can help someone move. And this is a simple concept, but it creates like a lot of labor because it's not only with your car. Now you could have some sort of stipulations in there, some sort of agreement that you're not lifting anything. You will just drive it to places. You'll bring your car, they put it in there, you drive it to places. That could be an option, but you will get more money most likely if you are helping them move, physically picking up things, putting it in your car, helping them move. I'm sure you can get more money. And I would imagine each time you help someone move, depending how big it is, if it's just a normal like back and forth or something, maybe they might give you like $100 for that trip. Now, if you were gonna do that a couple of times a weekend, then you can make $200, $300, something like that. And that's good in one weekend. Now, if you do that every weekend, then you can make a decent amount of money per month. But then again, you do have to give up your time and probably your like body, because you're gonna be doing like hard labor if you're lifting. But those are my ways to make money by driving. They're simple ways that you can make money. And I know that everybody is probably thinking, what happened to Uber and Lyft? I decided to not put those on there because I hear a lot of things about Uber that are very negative when it comes to how much people get paid, and people are basically saying they get paid less than minimum wage and stuff like that. And I don't want to include them in there because that's basically what everybody would put on this list. And just know that this is an option. Uber and Lyft is an option, but I didn't put it on my top ways to make money because that's just a given. So let's kind of just switch subjects here. So these 4 are my top 5 ways of doing it. If you are interested, I'll post all the links down below. Just like I said, if you like this list, if you like this video, hit the like button. That helps me out a lot. It bumps my video up to the top. So hit the like button. Also, comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know what's on your mind about this video, any videos you want me to do in the future. Remember to hit that subscribe button for more videos just like this one. And I'm doing a giveaway. I know it's a lot of stuff, but bear with me. I'm giving away 2 Amazon gift cards when I hit my 2,000 subscriber mark, and every 1,000 subscribers from there on out, I'm gonna give away 2 more Amazon gift cards. So hit the subscribe button to be entered in that giveaway. But I'm gonna have to get out of here, and until next time, I'll see you guys later.